Hello guys, welcome back in today's crypto technical analysis. Let's do a multiple time frame analysis for the Bitcoin. However, before we start, if you guys are learning and enjoying from the content, do not forget to like the video, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe and activate the bell so you do not miss the accurate market updates. Starting from a weekly time frame. Based on a weekly time frame, as you remember, since we got a rejection right from $69,000, we started following this Fibonacci levels. And as expected, we had a strong resistance at around $48,000 all the way up to $50,000. We saw a rejection, and that's confluence, as you can see, with a very important the Fibonacci level, which is a mirror image of 618, the 382, all the way up to 0.33 levels. So after we got rejection, once we lost that strong support, and which had 5 months ago, as soon as the price action came at around this level, $32,000, end of January, as well as the end of February, I covered in this channel these levels. Maximum pain that we expected to come in the first place. 0.618 all the way up to 0.67, the golden pockets. So the levels are 28,300 all the way up to 24,800 levels. And as you can see, we tested. However, based on a higher time frame, we didn't see capitulation at this stage. And the important level based on a weekly time frame, as well as the 2 weeks time frame that I mentioned in the previous posts via Twitter, as well as in the previous videos, that's going to be $37,500 are extremely important in order to claim, based on a higher time frame, the bullish levels. If we're going to stay above this level, then we will consolidate further in this region, and highly likely we might need to pay attention slightly lower levels than 24,800 levels. However, at this stage, it is slightly early for us to talk about it. Moving on to a daily time frame. Based on a daily time frame, we can see clear picture how 0.618 is acting as a perfect support at this stage. However, having said that, as soon as we lost, as I'm keep mentioning, $60,000 in the first place, we ended up in a strong support that held over 3 months. And followed by, as soon as we broke this strong support, we ended up in this 0.618, 0.67, the golden pockets. At this stage, based on a daily time frame, without breaking 37,000, 36,500 and claiming as a support, it is going to be quite early for us to talk about the bullish scenario. So I'm not paying too much attention for the daily time frame resistance at this stage. We will be moving on to a 4-hour time frame. Based on a 4-hour time frame, as soon as we lost $48,000, the lower line of this strong resistance, we had a perfect rejection, and then the second exit zone or short setup came at around 45,500 level. Since then, every single time, once we approached to the red line or the smart money line, which is a white one, as you can see, we had a rejection. And in these regions, right from $43,000 all the way $40,000 and $41,000, I warned enough via Twitter. So once we lost from $48,000 all the way up to 25,500-ish level, we saw nearly 50% dump in the market. However, if you're a conservative trader, as soon as we lost 45,500 level all the way up to 25,500, we saw nearly 45% dump in the market. However, we don't have to chase tops or bottoms. With the current price action, we are seeing at the moment 35% dump in the market. Before we move on to support and resistance lines based on a mid and lower time frames, if you want to learn all this technical analysis, what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8. A one-on-one intense masterclass is available, where I'm going to teach you how to become a profitable trader in the market, and it only takes you 5 to 10 hours to master this all. And during the course, you will learn day trading, i.e. scalping, suing, and as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. As soon as we lost $45,000, $45,500, 4-hour time frame started flashing a bearish signal short setup. However, since then, we don't have a confirmation for a trend change. Without claiming, based on a 4-hour time frame, $31,000, $31,500, ideally $32,000, it is going to be so early for us to talk about the bullish scenario. And as you can see, in the last few days, we've been following this fib levels, and we're getting a perfect rejection right from 382, the mirror image of the golden pocket. And as expected in the last video, Also, I posted via Twitter, highly likely that we're going to reject from 382 and 33 level. And we saw, as I updated in the previous post, nearly 7.5% dump in the market. And as you can see, at the moment, in the last 24 hours, 4-hour time frame, as well as the lower time frames, are getting rejected right from the Fibonacci levels. And we're printing a lower highs. If we're going to lose this level, the $29,129,000, then I will be keeping an eye on to this, which is 28.5, all the way up to this golden pocket based on a lower time frame, 27,700 levels. And as you can see, lower time frame Fibonacci 382 is acting as a perfect support at this stage. That's going to be $29,115. If you're a scalper, mid time frame and lower time frame 382 levels are perfect for you to scalp. And these levels are provided via Twitter as well as in the last video a couple of days ago. Moving on to 2-hour time frame. At this stage, 2-hour time frame also heavily under the bear's control without claiming 382, which is 31,000, ideally 31,500 level. It's going to be too early for us to talk about the bullish scenario. Otherwise, as I said, the next level is going to be the 0.5 level, the fib, that's going to be around 28.5, but I will be expecting to come, the price action to come all the way up to $27,700, $27,400. And as you can see, we've got first rejection. You might call it deviation, however, I don't call it. That was perfect testing of 382, the fib level, and then third test, fourth test, and highly likely we're going to lose 382 in the coming 12 hours, and we will be ending up all the way up to 618, the golden pockets. However, if we're going to lose 618, and you have to keep an eye on to this must hold support level, if we're going to lose this level, which I'm not expecting at this stage, highly likely we will take this low, which is $25,500, $25,000. I'm not going to cover 1-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame is heavily under the bear's control. And we came to an end of this episode. If you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.